Hello, I'm Keith Grossman. I'm a mediator, an attorney, and an educator at law, and I want to talk to you today about the benefits of mediation. You and your spouse may be having some difficulty coming to an agreement on how to resolve things related to your divorce, but you also are recognizing the benefit of not litigating fully a case and the benefits of that. So let me talk with you about specifically the benefits of mediation and how you can take the mediation process and use it to your advantage to work through the things that you need to resolve and put your emotions aside so that you're able to work together cooperatively for that purpose. So, as a mediator, I am a neutral party trained specially to be able to help you to work through these discussions, to facilitate the discussions, and to help you work through any of the obstacles in order to come to a resolution. Now, mediation is a confidential process. So what that means is that you can freely discuss and be open about all the things that need to be figured out, all the things that need to be discussed. You can express your thoughts, you can express your feelings, and you don't have to worry about anything you say being used in a future court hearing, a future court trial, because the process is confidential, so everything we talk about there is just between those of us who are participating in the mediation. Mediation is also completely voluntary, so the mediator can't tell you you have to do something. The mediator can't force you to do something. Everything that you agree to do is because you believe it is in your best interest to do that. Also, you are avoiding the judge telling you what to do and taking the ownership of your decisions away from you. So you have the ability to make those decisions, take ownership of your own decisions in the mediation process. It also means that you control the time and the costs that are dedicated to the mediation process. So you know that you're going to save money because you're going to be working cooperatively, and this is a more efficient process, a more effective process usually for getting to an agreement. So you're having more control over those costs. The court and the litigation process is out of your control, and you can't control those things. So you can't decide that you're just going to dedicate an amount of time to the trial process, the litigation process, but you have more decision-making power in the mediation process for that. If you are flexible with each other, you can resolve all of your issues, which means that it's going to be less time, less cost, and certainly less stress than litigation. If you decide that mediation is not working for you, that it's not helping, you can say that I'm done and you're not going to move forward anymore with mediation, which means you're not going to come to an agreement, but you have made that effort and you have put in the attempt to try to resolve things, resolve everything through mediation. It's also possible to have a partial agreement at mediation. So even if you only reach a partial agreement, you have now narrowed the things that need to be figured out, narrowed the things that the judge would have to decide if you were to go forward and have a court hearing or have a trial on your divorce. So the court time that you would need in order to move forward would be reduced, which means less cost as well. So those are some factors to consider, and those are the benefits of the mediation process. If you have more questions, you can reach me at my website, peaceshark.com, and we can talk further about mediation. This is Keith Grossman, and I'm wishing you peace, love, and harmony.